So got some feedback from Paco Ibarra of Maximum Driftcast about the way I mounted my fire extinguisher last time, and I can agree with him that it may fly off in an accident and cause bodily harm. So I made a trip to Harbor Freight, I got some supplies, and I'm gonna do a super short video on how to properly mount it to a roll cage. Alright, so as you guys saw last time, I installed this bad boy into the roll cage. It's solid, but it's not quite what it should be, so I'm gonna make some improvements. Okay, so what I've done is I took out the thin zip ties that you saw earlier, just the standard, you know, break all the time zip ties, and I've got two different solutions for zip ties. So I got metal ones and I got really thick ones. I'll try the metal ones first and see if they hold. They're supposed to hold 115 pounds. This thing can't weigh more than 5. And then these are good for 175 pounds. So if I can't get these tight enough for some reason, I'll move over to these. On top of that, I got some industrial strength Velcro that holds 10 pounds as well, that I'm going to Velcro to the back of here, as well as Velcro from the inside of this to the actual fire extinguisher itself. So that'll hold it in a little bit better. So hopefully those will be good enough and we should be rocking and rolling. Okay, so first off I'll tackle the old Velcro. That didn't work out at all like I wanted to. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and wrap that around, you know, soft edges. Whatever. Sweet. That'll go onto the actual roll cage. Guess I could just wrap that one around too. Down in there, wrap it around the edge. I have to poke some more holes through that since I'm awesome. That's right, it'll give it a nice soft area to rest on. Let's actually attach this to the fire extinguisher. Got it. Jeez. We will get the neck in and move those out of the way. And we will put it down. Get that on there nice and good. So now it is much more firmly attached to that. That shouldn't go anywhere once everything's all buckled in. Or certainly should have much less play in it than it did before. Give it less chance to rip itself off. So that's seeming pretty solid. And this is just for backup. It's not actually going to be holding it on. So made its own hole. Alright, got those in. Let's see if we can go back over to the car and put them on in. Just for good measure, I'm going to put a third one in here. Alright. With the combined clamping force of however many pounds that said it was, I think we should be good to go. Alright, get the Velcro backing off. So that will go there. Man, this Velcro is strong. Oh my god. Attached like this. I mean, holds by itself with just the Velcro, so that's good news. Okay, let's see what we can do with these metal zip ties. How do I fully tighten metal zip ties? Stainless steel zip ties without special tools. Perfect. Thank you, Google.
We're all locked into place.
All right, now that I've acquired some knowledge, time to get some tools. I'm starting to get cramp in my leg here. And that is not going anywhere, folks. So thanks to the internet, I redid this, and it may look like it's moving around, but it is not coming off of there now. It is secure in place and much more stable. Can still get it off. I mean, even if this clasp was off, this thing isn't going anywhere. So bonus, re-safetied, better safetied. Happy with that. Well, I'm in here. I figured I might as well add some spots for the GoPro to mount. And since there's no headliner, it should be really, really easy to get a spot kind of right up by the roll cage where it can film the drifting in-car action. Said this thing needed way more GoPro mounts. I wasn't kidding. That might be kind of cool. I'm gonna look at all those, see what I can do. Get a little bit more of the action. I might go for it right there. Maybe. God bless America. Okay, where was that? Where was that? Oh, I lost my hat. I need that. Yep. I think that's gonna be a keeper. You can see pretty much everything. Everything you need to see. Woo! Thank you, Rainbow Umbrella. You've been kind. So like I said, I only have a curved one left. I gotta figure out where I can put this, maybe outside here on the pillar, maybe on the dash. Actually might work pretty good. I'm not quite sure where this one needs to go. Yeah. So I think I found a pretty cool spot. It's got an interesting angle. Yeah, I think I'll send it. Okay, that shouldn't go anywhere and should provide an interesting point of view. So yeah, I think this is going to be a pretty cool one. Man, that'd be really cool right there. I just need to get an L bracket out. Yeah, I like that. Super. Whoa. All right. Note for next time, brace that before I push on it. A little vibratey, but I think it'll be okay. Not bad. Quick GoPro position test. Alright, so thanks for watching this super exciting video of me making something that I already installed a little bit better thanks to Paco's advice. And there was another dude that commented as well saying, hey, that's gonna break and fly out and kill somebody. So we got that dialed in. That's not going anywhere. It's now held in by steel. And we got some sick ass places to mount the GoPro. So I'm excited to see what kind of footy I can get from that event we got coming up on the 12th. So we'll see you guys then. Falling asleep, bud? Am I that boring? God, sorry.